agree.
I crashed into my brother as much as I could.
So, but I think so. I think that's the most of the
Changing or like, and you know, I've been through stuff in my life, so I'm like,